In this video, we will demonstrate how to use IRBCAM to machine a large work object. So the first step is to load a robot, and we'll pick the ABB 6660 1.9. And then we load a tool, the spindle TMA4. And we load a turntable, Hokaro Rotary 1. And I place this at 2500 millimeters and 500 millimeters in set, like that. Now I will create a large work object, so I go additional objects, cuboid, add, and here the size is 2000 millimeters in X, 2000 in Y, and 100 in Z. I place this on the turntable with the user frame, and I want to center it, so we make the position here -1000 in both X and Y. Now I want to create targets in each of the corners of this plate. So we go add targets. The first one is at -1000. Velocity 100. Insert. The next one I go -1000. Insert after. The next one 1000 -1000. Insert. The next one after that is 1000. Insert after. And number 4, no, the fifth one, -1000. So, and I'll also lift each of these targets by 100 millimeters in set. Okay, so if I look at the 2D plot, we have the four corners of the plate, and now I just want to interpolate the targets a bit closer. So we go configure max distance from 1 to 5 and say 100 millimeters between the targets. Configure. You see now we've got a lot more points. In total, 129. So I go back to the station view. Now I can go Tools, Configure Path. Here I will choose the turntable mode number 2, Dynamic Angle 2. Configure. Path configured successfully. Now I can play this. And you see now that the robot can reach this plate, which is 2 by 2 meters, because the turntable is moving. So Dynamic Angle 2 works very well when you have horizontal work objects, like in this case. This mode here could be used for machining with a spindle, for example, or cutting, for example, with a plasma cutter. We will let this run to the end, so the last corner is coming up. The last step now is to go File, Export Robot Code, and here we can generate code which will run on the real ABB controller. So you see, IRBCAM can be used in a few minutes to create quite complex toolpaths, including an industrial robot and a turntable in this case.